how to make an affiliate marketing website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make an affiliate marketing website that will help you and help the participant in it to gain a little bit of rewards. So it is going to be very simple and very easy. We're going to head over wix.com. Then we're going to sign in into our account. So basically we're going to create a new website. But first, let me explain to you what is going to be an affiliate website. So basically, these affiliate websites that you can find nearly anywhere into the web are going to be originally a website that will sell a service, a product, or a bunch of products, and you are going to be, for example, if you are going to participate in the referral, you're going to gain here a commission. And if you're going to be the owner of the website or the service, you're going to gain the, let's say here, the benefit of the selling, and you're going to give a little bit of that benefit or a little bit of commission to that specific affiliate who has helped you to sell the service or the product. Now, how we can create this website. So we are going to create a new website on Wix. Then we are going to have here the two choices. Either we are going to go with the Wix Studio, or we can go ahead with the simple or the standard Wix editor. So we are going to head over here, click on create on Wix editor. Now we are going to get the help of Wix ADI, which is going to be the abbreviation of artificial design intelligence. So we are going to either go ahead and click on start chat, and then we are going to answer some few questions. And based on these answers, you're going to get your website. So Wix ADI is going to be defining the type of the website that you want. Also, it is going to be defining the layout that you want exactly into your website, number of pages, and also different sections that you have or you want into your website. In my case, I will let you use the Start Chat by yourself because it is going to be something that it is going to be simple and self-guided. But I'm going to click on Setup without the chat, so we can go ahead and head over here. Then we're going to put the specific website type. So what is the website that we want to create? So in most of the cases, I'm going to create either a service website or services website, or we can go ahead and have a store. So I'm going to create a store because it is going to be more simplified and also, let's say, more specific. So we are going to head over here at this field and we are going to click on online store, for example. And you can go ahead and select or be more specific by setting up the let's say here more of the things in here by heading over the online store for clothes or jewelry or whatever. I'm going to let it generalize like that. So it is going to prepare our dashboard, and then we're going to see the website. Now, before anything, you're going to head over the settings on the dashboard. And why is that? Because we need to set up the payment method. So I would like to set it up from the beginning. So at the end, I'm not going to be wasting time in setting up my payment method and also the payment details. So we are going to head over the settings, and then we are going to have the details of the payment. So we are going to click on accept payments, and then we are going to select the country that we are in. For example, we are going to type in maybe France, choose, and depending on the region or the country that you have chosen, you're going to see a lot of or the supported payment methods. For example, in France, we have Stripe, we have PayPal, and manual payments. Also, we can see here more payment methods, and you need to set up at least two payment methods. For example, Stripe, PayPal, and also the manual. So you can go ahead and add it right there if you want. But I'm not going to add it as a manual because we do not have a website or a physical location. Aside from that, we're going to head over here at setup, and then we are going to click on design site. This is the second thing that you're going to do. So click on design site, and here we are going to be back with this page, which will help you or suggest for you to use either Wix ADI for generating a design with AI or customizing a template. So we are going to choose first the customize with a template, and we're going to see the result. Click on pick a template, and we are going to see the different templates. Basically, I would like to use the templates or the pre-made pit templates because they are going to be, let's say, more efficient with our case. So if you are going to create a Wix ADI template, it is meant to be, I think, for the most simplest tasks. So it is not going to be as professional as a pre-made template, but it is going to do the work correctly, I think. So as you can see, we have t-shirt stores, we have different, as you can see, types of templates, and each one of these templates could have the context of your store or not, depending on your likings. And if you like one of the templates, you can go ahead and go with it. So for example, we have here this one. It is going to be a multiple or a hardware soft or not soft, but a hardware store and etc. So maybe we're going to set up grocery. It is not going to be that profitable to set up an affiliate marketing, but maybe cosmetics. So we're going to head over this page again. I think that we have this cosmetics subscription boxes. Yes, we do like subscriptions and etc. Well, I'm not going to set up the subscription because it is going to be a long story. So wellness store. So we are going to choose this. You can go ahead and view the store or view the template or get it away by clicking on edit right away. So I'm going to click or I have clicked on edit. Then we are going to wait for the Wix editor to show up. It is going to be taking a little bit of time, but it is okay to wait for it. So we have here, as you can see, the store. You can enhance the AI content into here by setting up the details about the website and etc. This will help you right there to set up some in advance, let's say, descriptions and also titles and subtitles. But I'm not going to do that, so it is going to be okay. Now, what we're going to do is to see the website. As you can see on the left side of the screen, we have the helpers or the element creators, the section organizers, pages and menus, managers, and etc. Now, what I am going to do on this specific page, because not this page, but in the website in general, is going to head over the add apps because we need the help of the Wix app market. So we are going to start by installing the specific plans that we are going to need for these specific apps. So these apps are going to be very helpful for us. Let's start by verifying that we have at least the Wix stores. So we are going to type in Wix stores, and then we are going to have it just like this. Now we are going to see the Wix stores. Here we have it. You're going to have here the installation. It is installed, and this is something good. If you're going to start with a website that doesn't have a Wix store, or you have created a website from scratch, you need to install this app first. Now, the second app is going to be, for example, affiliate. We are going to type in affiliate, and we are going to set it up or wait for it or search for it, because with it you're going to set up the affiliate. Now, as you can see, we have tons and tons of affiliate programs, so or affiliate apps. You're going to select only the trusted ones. So you can go ahead and head over here with this one, GoAff Pro, but it is going to require a premium site right there subscription. I'm not going to oblige you to get this, but it is okay to have, for example, the affiliate builder. So we are going to have here the affiliate program, or you can have the stock one, which is going to be the Wix referral program. So we are going to have with this our way, of course, and then we are going to click on add to site. So we are going to create the affiliate program or the referral program in here. So I'm going to wait for a few seconds until the installation is going to be here. And we can go ahead and set up the program as much as we want. So in here, what I am going to do is to basically see, as you can see, the specific referral. So we can have here the referral program for any of the specific codes. I'm going to manage the program first because it is going to be randomized. Now you're going to see onto the marketing tools or to the marketing section. So we are going to have it right there. So now you can go ahead and set up the program. So we are going to click on here. Then we are going to set up the program name. And as you can see here, referral or affiliate. Let's put here affiliate program as the all the websites name it like that. So you can go ahead and set up the referring customer reward. So we are going to have here a coupon, and maybe you're going to get from your website something like that. So it is going to be something that is limited into the affiliate program, but it is okay. So you're going to have a referral program, and we have a little bit of a difference between affiliate and also the as you can see here, the affiliates. So we are going to bear with it. So you're going to set up the referral reward. For example, here is discount. We are going to have here, for example, at least a discount, a 100, or let's say here, uh, maybe the products that we'll need. For example, refer one, get half. For example, half the price of. You need to be a marketer to set up this, for example. So we are going to have 50% apply to all products, or the specific products that you're going to put only for the referrals. So here once per order, so we're going to set it up as once per order, of course. Include subscription, no, I will not do that. The referral, so you're going to have the referred friend reward. So this is the customer, as you can see, referral. So I'm going to give the customer no reward, but this person is going to have a 50%, or the refer 50% in here. So we're going to put here buy refer one, get the half, for example, price of it, for example, like that. And then here we have it. So the email automation is going to be like this. You're going to click on save. Now this is the first thing. So that was the referral program. Now I'm going to head over here, and we are going to see the affiliate, because I need affiliate more than any type of things in here. So Wix referral, we are going to install affiliate builder, of course. Also, it is going to be very cool. Basically, it is not going to be a free app or plugin to install, but it is going to be something that we need in our case. So I'm going to click on agree and okay. Now, what are we going to do is to head over the dashboard. Here we have the dashboard. I'm going to click on open. So we are going to open the dashboard real quick, and then we are going to see the affiliate builder. So this app is going to be more, let's say here, dedicated to the affiliate or the affiliation program. So we are going to set up here, finish the setup, and then we are going to start. So we are going to put here the affiliate portal. We're going to configure it. So we are going to have it just like that. And then we are going to set up the affiliate, as you can see. So we are going to have it in here just like that, and sign up as an affiliate or something like this. So basically, I would like to have here things set up, as you can see, and then we are going to have it in here. So we are going to add it to the site. So I'm going to add it to my website, because I think something better. Step layout. So we are going to add it to the site. The step layouts of the website that we have. Make sure that you're going to select the right website. Click on agree. I'm going to agree in here, and there we are going to build it. So in this video, we have made two steps, which is going to be the internal affiliate program, which is going to be known as the referral. And we have the external, let's say, affiliate program, which is going to be the affiliate. So we are going to wait for it. And then here we have the app. Now I'm not going to wait for the editor. I'm not going to waste the time on here, but we can here set or get the affiliates. As you can see, you can invite the affiliates or use an SMS or invite new user with automations. So after we have set up the portal, it is going to be active. So the widget is active, as you can see. Also, the dashboard is going to be active. So everything is activated, and we are going to just set up the things. So anyone with the affiliate program is going to be in here. Why the app is not active? So basically, at least one campaign. So we need to set up at least one campaign. So here we have the commissions. So for the store order, enable the affiliate program to store orders. I'm going to set up the store order in here. This is something that we need. And you're going to put the commission of the product. So each one of the affiliates, if they have here a customer that I have brought in here, they are going to get a commission. For example, we are going to have here a 10% commission. You're going to put it, and the affiliate portal is on. So we can check up the affiliate or the active affiliates. You can go ahead and see the statistics and create the campaigns or set up the campaign commission right there. So basically, you are going to have it in here. It will take a little bit of time to set up the layout or the steps layout, but it is going to be set up in here. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.